Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is grade 7 mathematics class, and today we are discussing dimensions of the formula, exercise 2K, page number 44, and this is the last lesson of this week number 6. Let's start. Dimensions of the formula. We have encountered various formula for finding length, area and volume. These are the different methods of finding the measurements like length, area and volume. The letter that appears in these formula represents number of length, area and volume units. The formula may also contain numbers and symbols represents the numbers such as pi. Pi is the number, constant number, which value is 3.174. An expression that contains only one symbol represents the number of length units in one dimension. One dimension. For one dimension it will be length. For two dimension its value must be in the number of length units, for example centimeters, kilometers, feet, etc. An expression containing the product of two lengths. Containing the product of two lengths means length multiplied by width. Length unit symbols give an area, so it will called area. It is two-dimensional and its value is the number of length square. So unit will be m square cm square or like this. This is for two-dimensional. And for three-dimensional, if there are three length unit symbols or length unit symbols and area unit symbol multiplied length by width, so that will be measured in cubes and mm3, mm square like this. A number that does not represent the number of length or area unit does not alter the dimension of an expression. If x is a number of length unit, then 3x is one-dimensional length. 4x square is the two-dimensional area. Pi x cube is the three-dimensional, so it will be volume. So keep in your mind length one-dimensional, area two-dimensional, volume three-dimensional. Pi is any number. Checking dimension and units helps to identify whether the given quantity represents length, area or volume. For example, if a sentence contains cm cube, so after watching this sentence you can decide quickly this represents three-dimensional figure and this represents volume. Represents the number of volume units. It also allows you to recognize incorrect formula. Suppose, for example, we are told that the formula for the volume V cubic units of certain container V is equals to 3 pi xy, where x and y are the number of lengths units. V cubic unit is the volume and therefore three dimension needed. But here we have only two dimensions, x and y. So that is the wrong formula. For three-dimensional figure, we need three values x, y and z like this. But in two-dimensional area, we need x and y. So this V is equals to 3 pi xy can be the formula of area, but it cannot be the formula of volume or it cannot be the formula of length. That is the thing which we can easily recognize. Come to the exercise. State whether each of the following quantities is a length or area or volume. So the first one is length, the other one is B is volume, C is area, D is volume like this. How I know? With the power. If cm only, centimeter only, this is length. Centimeter square, this is area. Centimeter cube, this is volume. For three-dimensional and two-dimensional. This is the main concept. So with the help of this main concept, we can solve out this whole exercise. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.